Hello, awesome people out there! Welcome to another short episode of LALH Trivia! Dahil umuulan ngayon, ang trivia natin ay about sa rain or ulan. Alam nyo ba na ang ulan ay may sariling scent or amoy? Kung ang perfume ay maraming scents, ang tanong ay, ano ang tawag sa scent or smell ng ulan? Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, sagutin na natin. Ang smell or scent of the rain is called petrichor. Paano naman napubuo ang amoy na tinatawag na petrichor? Petrichor is the earthy scent produced when rainwater interacts with the soil and goes along with compounds namely ozone, geosmin, and plant oils. Dumako naman tayo sa etymology or ang pinanggalingan ng term petrichor. The word comes from the Greek words petra meaning stone and ichor which in Greek mythology refers to the golden fluid that flows in the veins of the immortals. So ngayon alam na natin na meron palang sariling amoy ang ulan, ha? That's all about our short trivia today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit like, heart, and subscribe so you get updated of our latest videos. See you next time. Stay safe and healthy, everybody. God bless us all.